Welcome to AI Video Mastery, a comprehensive guide designed for senior executives and engineering professionals. We aim to empower your legacy through modern intelligence and the revolution of video generation. In Part 1, the AI Revolution, we'll examine how video generation has moved from high-budget studios to your desktop computer, making professional-grade video accessible to everyone. The primary challenge today is the long video challenge. Most AI tools hit a 10-second barrier. Professional execution requires a strategic workflow for visual consistency across longer content, such as a 10-minute video. AI redefines efficiency. Traditional production for a 5-minute module could take 40 hours with a crew. With AI, a single professional can produce high-fidelity results in 4 hours, leveraging expertise over manual labor. Let's review the current industry leaders. We have Runway Gen 3 for cinematic control, Luma Dream Machine for realistic movement, Kling AI for longer continuous clips, and InVideo AI for script-to-video automation. Runway Gen 3 is the gold standard for cinematic control. Luma Dream Machine offers exceptional physics. Kling AI generates longer continuous clips. InVideo AI is best for script-to-video automation with stock integration. There are 3 primary ways to generate long videos: clip stitching, video extension, and script-to-video. These techniques allow you to create detailed, long-form narratives far beyond the 10-second limit. AI delivers a 90% reduction in required resources. The cost per minute of professional video drops dramatically, enabling scalable communication for sharing complex knowledge without the filming hurdle. Visual integrity is maintained through what we call the digital bridge. For engineers, think of this as modular video assembly, where each generated clip is a component in a larger, seamless data stream. This tool comparison matrix shows the differences. Runway Gen 3 offers high control for cinematic use. Luma Labs provides dynamic motion. InVideo AI offers a minimal learning curve for tutorials and lectures. Adoption trends show significant internal use of AI video. Training and safety lead at 92%, followed by knowledge transfer at 85%, indicating strong growth across enterprise workflows from 2024 to 2027. We propose a 4-week adoption roadmap. Week 1 is Explore, Week 2 is Scripting with AI Voice, Week 3 is Assembly by stitching clips, and Week 4 is Finalize, focusing on consistency and polishing. This 4-stage roadmap guides you from initial experimentation to creating a complete, high-quality video, ensuring you master the modern tools for AI video generation.